play music. Many beautiful songs were composed by them because they missed home a lot. And this next song we'd like to do for you was done by a gentleman named Andy Cummings. He wrote this song when he was in New York for this area here of our island called Waikiki. There's a feeling deep in my heart, stabbing at me just like the dart. It's a feeling heavenly. I see memories out of the past, memories that always will last, of this place beside the sea. At night, when the shadows are falling, I hear your rolling surf calling, calling and calling to me. You like that? Waikiki, 'tis for you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning out there to you, across the sea. Your tropic nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memories. And I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and heavenly. Waikiki, my whole life is empty without you. I miss that magic about you, magic beside